Have you ever felt like you just needed a little hit of happy? Well, lucky for you, I'm going to share with you today my recipe for milk mango popsicles. These popsicles are so delicious. They have this like crystally interesting texture because of the milk, and they're just like joy on a stick. And the best part is they're so easy to make. It only takes 3 ingredients. So first we're gonna do a mango puree. You can use any fruit you want, but let's be honest, Desi kids love mango. I got this mango puree at the store, but you're welcome to make your own if you like. So let's put it in. So I've already got 1 cup of mango puree in the jug, and I'm also gonna add half a cup of whipping cream. This just gives it a really nice silky texture and makes for a little bit of a creamier popsicle. Okay. Now we're going to add my favorite, the star of this recipe, the milk. This is what's going to create all those icy crystals I told you about around the outside of the popsicle, and it's so good. We're going to mix this up. So for me, this mixture is pretty much ready to go, but if you wanted to give it a little more flavor punch, you could add some cardamom pods, or you can also add in sugar if you like your popsicles extra sweet. Now these guys go in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, and I try to wait patiently. Okay, here we go. This is always the stressful moment with a popsicle. Yes, perfection. Milk mango popsicle. It's got all that little crystallized stuff I told you about. So good. So I hope you guys will give these milk mango popsicles a try. They are so good and so easy to make and just all kinds of delicious and happy. So make sure you try them out. If you do, let me know how it goes. You can share your experiences and your photos with me through Instagram. I'm at Pink Chai. And as always, since you're here, I'd love for you to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it.